2011 Toyota Sienna LE. Here's a super nice Sienna. These vans are so hard to find in nice shape. This one being a one-owner vehicle, just really is in great shape, runs and drives great. Good bang for your buck. In 2011, when they changed the body style on these Siennas, they just did a great job improving them. They're much more comfortable, much more spacious, much more practical. Comes with a lot of great features. So just gonna try and do a quick video walk around here, give you an idea of what this specific Sienna is by the condition, by the features, and try and show any blemishes or problems that I can in the walk around. This vehicle does have 159,000 miles, so a little bit higher, but for a Toyota, of course, that's hardly anything. That's just barely broken in. So runs and drives fantastic. We've driven it a lot already, and just really runs and shifts and sounds great. So we'll start our walk around here. This is the magnetic gray metallic color. Just a really pretty paint color. Just very, very shiny, and has a lot of metallic in it to pop. So really looks great in the sun. Look at the front end. It's got a few bug marks, but not chipped away with rocks or anything like that. Headlights are in nice shape, and this front lip is in good shape as well. No rock chips to speak of there. So looking down the passenger side, it's in nice shape as well. Just overall, the vehicle is in great shape. No major scuffs or dents or anything like that. All the panels are in nice shape. So bumpers are in good shape. A little scuff right here. It's not too bad though. One scratch here. I don't feel it though, so it may not be into the paint. And one scuff right there. It's not very long though, only about 2 inches long. So very, very nice. No hail in the vehicle, no PDR. That's nice as well. Again, the driver's side, it's in good shape. Once again, just nothing major, just trying to get picky here. One little itty bitty one right there. Little scuff. A lot of these would probably buff out, I would guess. And one little scuff right in here, if I can pick it up. Right there. But hardly see that one. So just a very nice van all the way around. Up on the inside here, being the LE, it's going to come a little bit more basic, but you do get a power seat, you do get dual power sliding doors, of course keyless entry, a backup camera, Bluetooth, all that good stuff. So nicely equipped, very functional, but not leather, not a sunroof, none of the extra fancy stuff, but still very, very well equipped for a van. Of course, all power automatic windows. Jumping on the inside here, air conditioning's cold. Steering wheel controls there, as well as Bluetooth for your phone, as well as Bluetooth audio. 159 on the miles, like I said. Just for a Toyota, that's hardly anything. I mean, at 259, they're still usually going pretty strong, so they're hard to beat. I'll do a quick key cycle here, just to give you an idea of what it's like. Really runs good. It's got that 3.5 liter V6 in it, just a proven Toyota engine. They put them in so many vehicles, and they just really are an excellent engine. Very fuel efficient, very, very powerful, and very, very, very reliable. So of course, dual climate controls with rear controls and rear air, so that's nice. AM, FM, XM radio with USB, AUX, and Bluetooth connectivity for your phone, so that's nice as well. Like I said, dual power doors, so that's nice. We'll go and open both of those up. And the seats are just in really very, very nice shape. It's got the premium cloth in it, so they hold up and are very durable, very clean, no major stains to speak of or anything. Like in the back seat, they've got plenty of space. These do slide forward and backwards, so that's nice. You can make more or less room for the third row or second row, however you so choose. Walk through here, and you have third row seat as well. So, I'm gonna close that up. In the cargo area, plenty of space, very deep cargo, so does provide plenty of cargo space. And then these do fold down into the floor if you want to make it a full flat stow and go type of idea. So that's nice as well. And then you pop back up, out of the way, and you're back in business. And passenger rear seat, it's in nice shape as well. Nothing to speak of. Carpets are in nice shape. It's this power door. And the passenger seat. Just very, very, very nice vehicle, in great shape and a great history. So, this vehicle is of interest to Brad and Miles Beckman here at Eagle Care Autos in McPherson. Brad, he's my dad, he's the owner. We're just a small family dealership. We've been here about 20 years and just love Toyota, love these Sienna vans, just excellent, excellent vehicles. Feel free to find us on Facebook, find us on our website right there, eaglecareautos.com, or subscribe to our YouTube to keep up to date with the new vehicles we have coming in. So we look forward to the opportunity to serve you in whatever way we can, whether it's on this vehicle or something else you may see of interest.